All right, so we got Kuma, Sever. Gonna be a quick coon hunt tonight. Let's go. Kuma, Sever, let's go. There's the highway right there. So, yeah, I'm trying to get away from the road as quick as I can, so I don't need to worry about the dogs as much. But this is a small wildlife management area here in West Virginia. So we're gonna try to find a coon here. We'll see what happens. All right, we got some action. The dogs are treed a couple of 100 yards to the left. See that they don't. It's just about to say they don't bark much. They don't really bark that much on the coon. I mean, they do bark just enough to let me know they're treed, and that's about it. It's not like a bear. A bear, they have to keep them up. They have to keep them treed, so they have to keep putting pressure on the bear at all times. So with a coon, you know, they just let me know, hey, it's here, come on over. So I know where they are. I'm gonna start walking there. Well, went well. Only had to shoot him 5 times, but only his head was sticking out in the, well, way up there. So I must have missed a few times. All right, Sever. Hey, Kuma. Come on, Sever, get in. Sever, get in. Get up. Come on, get in. So, this was a short hunt. Well, less than 2 miles in just 1 hour. And I guess a little over an hour. You know, minus the time I spent on social media and all that stuff. It's only 9 o'clock. I guess I could stay out longer and go find another coon, maybe. But it's been a long day. Started off 5 o'clock or so. Went goose hunting with my lab. Here, I'll show you how that went. Stay. Stay. Stay left. Stay left. So what do we do now? And then took Polka, squirrel hunting for about an hour just before it got dark. We had some success. So I'd say I'm done. Been a long day. So we'll see you next time.